Happy New Year's, friends. This is your host, CA Girish Sasdeva. Let's talk about one quick, easy step which you should know about using Excel. Usually, what happens is that when you have to merge two cells because you want to have the text across the two cells, what you normally do is that you select the cells and you click on merge and center. By this way, you are able to merge the cells. The problem we face after doing this is that if you have to do certain operations on a particular column only, then when you select it, it will select all the merged cells and you will face lot of problems, and you might not be able to run lot of formulas, and lot of formatting issues will be also there. So this merging will not give you the best results. So rather than using this function of merge and center, there is another way of merging your information without merging the cells. For example, if I have to merge these two cells because I want this text to come as a center across these cells, what I will do is that I will use the format cells option, and in format cells option I will change the alignment of horizontal from journal to center across selection. Once I do this, it will serve my purpose. The text is there in the center of all the selection which I have done, and I don't have to merge the cells. Now I am able to do whatever transaction I want to do, whatever change I want to do. I don't have to make any. Now I can select each and every column separately. Because these cells are not merged as such, so I will not face any problem, right? So it is better to use this formatting option of merging the cells for the purpose of text rather than merging the cells. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much.